Rejoice in the Lord. Always, again, I say rejoice. Philippians chapter 4 verses 4. Hello, beautiful family. Most welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I trust you're doing so well and thank you so much for coming back. Today, I will be showing you one of my favorite rice recipes, which is Kwankwan or Kyinkafa. Yes, it is coming from the northern part of Ghana once again. The Hajia mood is so activated. Please stay tuned while I share this lovely rice recipe with you. Very quick tour of our ingredients. Here we have our Kyinkafa rice, or the brown rice in Ghana. That's one of the healthiest rice you could ever have. And we have some stinky fish, the momone, and this is the locust bean, aka dawadawa. And I have also some dried herrings and some herring powder, and this is my natural spice blend mix. I have in here some cloves, aniseed, I have my ginger and garlic, I have my sunflower oil, chopped fresh tomatoes, some chopped chili peppers, and I have some onions and salt. Bear in mind, this is very local and you do not need any artificial spice in there. It's going to ruin everything for you. Okay, so in my pot goes in my oil, and of course the onions goes in. I'm going to make that, simple sauce that is going to make this rice taste absolutely delicious. The onion fry for about 2 minutes. I'll go in with my locust bean and my stinky fish. Boy, that brings that extra flavor to the rice. You can absolutely do without, but trust me, if you have, do not hesitate to add. And I also added my blended spice mix and my tomatoes in there. I'll allow that to fry for about 2 minutes and then add my chopped chili peppers. This really depends on your taste. You can also do it away with the chilies, but it's always a good thing to have a bit of kick in the rice. And I'll also add a bit of water, allow it to simmer for 5 minutes, and then go ahead with the other chores to prep my dried herrings. And these are so important because the kids are going to also enjoy, and if you do not take care, it's going to hurt you, it's going to choke you. So you have to be very careful about that. Once that is done, I'm just gonna wash it thoroughly and then introduce it to my sauce, including the powdered herrings as well. So after about 5 to 6 minutes of cooking the stew, I'll just go ahead and give it a good stir and then add my herring and the herring powder as well. You know what? The sauce is almost done. All that I have to do is to taste for salt and then add the amount of salt that I desire. Please do same too, okay? Because salt issues there really depends on your taste buds, okay? So the remaining time for the sauce to get ready is about 3 minutes. I'll just add a little bit of water, cover it, and allow it to simmer. Yes, family, this rice is very local and it comes with a bit of tax, but trust me, it's so delicious and it's worth it, okay? What I'm trying to do here is to get rid of all the chaff, all the unwanted particles like stones and everything. Of course, you do not want to get bite into any stones or anything like that at all. So yes, with a little bit of patience, we got it, okay? We're done. Believe you me, with this, nobody will tell you to wash your rice, right? I did mine 4 to 5 times, and it's quite a sensitive rice as well. You need to also get in there with your both hands and, scrub it. You need to properly scrub this rice. You might go ahead and do it 4 to 5 times, just like I did. You will be good to go. It is all done, and I'm now going to introduce it into the sauce, and our kwenkwan is about to get ready in no time at all. The sauce smells absolutely delicious, and it's just giving me that pure local vibe. Just so good. Just add the rice and give it a stir, just the same way that you'll be doing with your jollof and with all your rice recipes. Okay, so yes, I'll add a little bit more salt to it. Really need to be very careful with the amount of water that you'll be adding, because if you add a lot of water, you're going to end up having it very saggy, and that is not what we want. We want it to cook with the stew and absorb all that goodness in there. For about 12 minutes into cooking the rice, all the water content has been absorbed, and it's just the perfect time for me to introduce the parchment paper. All the time that I've got here is about 12 minutes more. Yes, you should be also very mindful to cook it on a medium heat, just so that you do not burn anything at all. Okay, all that I have 12 minutes, the heat is going to do its perfect work, as I always say in all my rice recipes. Just look at that. Not too much water. It came out just perfect. Looks so good. So we are done now, family. Please bring your bowl and let me serve you. Aroma alone is going to attract you first. It's just love at first sight. So good. Yeah, so that is the Kwankwan sound for you. That's the women who sell on the street. That's what they do all the time, just to attract your attention. And I've shared this recipe twice on this channel, and it's definitely for a reason. When the music is nice, we play it twice or even more. Thank you so very much, family, for watching. I really do appreciate your time, and please be sure to give me a like, comment down below, let me know what you think about this recipe. I have the Hausa stew recipe up here, and I'll link it right here, and the Shito as well. Everything will be down below in the description box. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos. Please be sure to subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and I'll see you again in my next one. Have a blessed day, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. You